Hi friends, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Steph with Sunnyside Design. Today we're excited to show you how to create your own DIY sunflower floral arrangement.
Few weeks ago, we shared how to make a flower arrangement with flowers from your garden, and we were so surprised how popular this was with you. Certainly, creating a flower arrangement is easy if you follow a few simple guidelines. And while we were decorating Steph's home for fall, we found this vintage train case that she had purchased a while back. And we thought that it would make a really fun container for a simple sunflower arrangement. For this arrangement, of course, we'll need some sunflowers. We purchased a bouquet that was from Michael's, and then we have some mini pumpkins. These are actually from Dollar Tree. We purchased these last year and painted them white and navy blue. And then we're also going to use some wild grasses. These were just along the side of the road, and we cut those down to add into our arrangement. We'll also need some styrofoam to push the flowers into, and then some moss. We are using Spanish moss, but regular sheet moss would also work for this project. Our container has a mirror on the inside of the lid because it is just a vintage cosmetic case. We decided we wanted to cover that up with some fabric. So we took a piece of cardboard box and we cut it to fit inside that lid there. And then we covered it with fabric, just taped the fabric to the cardboard, and then we just pressed it into the lid of the case. Now, this is removable if we ever want to take it out. We didn't damage the mirror in any way. It's just the snug fit of the cardboard fitting in the lid there. We also cut a piece of styrofoam to fit inside the container and filled the lower portion of the train case here with those plastic shopping bags. Didn't want we wanted our styrofoam to be up a little bit higher, so we just put those in there to kind of raise up the styrofoam, and then we topped it with our Spanish moss. Now you could use sheet moss if you would rather, either will work. We just want to cover up that styrofoam. If you're enjoying this video, give us a thumbs up, like this video, and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to make a flower arrangement, you may not know where to begin. When we start making a flower arrangement, we like to begin with the main flower. And in this particular arrangement, that will be our sunflowers. Our sunflowers came as a bush, so first we cut apart each of the stems from the main piece, and then we begin to place the sunflowers in the container at varying heights. Let me share a little tip with you. If you use your finger to make a small opening in the moss, this will allow the flower stem to be placed easily into the styrofoam. Selecting a unique container for your sunflower arrangement adds to the fun of this project. I believe Steph purchased her vintage train case at the vintage market last spring. But if you don't have one, check your local thrift store or the Facebook Marketplace. We've also linked a few cases that we found on Etsy if you really want to use one of these train cases. But now's the time to get your creative juices flowing and think outside the box. How about using an old picnic basket or an old toolbox as a container? In fact, I think even a vintage crate or a small old drawer would be a fun container for this sunflower arrangement. So get those creative juices flowing and comment below what you would like to use as a container for your sunflower arrangement. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. When creating any flower arrangement, you want to have your thriller piece, which would be your main flower, and then fillers. And I think using some wild grasses or just some weeds growing off the side of the road can really add a lot of fun and texture to your arrangement. And best of all, those things are free. So look around you and see what you can come up with. Ours kind of look like a pampas grass, and we used these last year in our Thanksgiving tablescape. And to prevent the little seeds from making a mess around your home, spray them with a little hairspray right after you cut them, and it will prevent that from happening. Are you looking for some more ideas for crafting for fall? Tap the link on the screen. The final filler that we are going to add to this arrangement is mini pumpkins. Once again, look in your stash of fall decor, and that's exactly what we did, and see if you can find something that you can use. Steph painted these little mini pumpkins last year to match her decor, and don't you think they are the perfect filler for this sunflower arrangement for fall? We also decided to take the leftover leaves from our sunflower bouquet and tuck those in under a few of the pumpkins just to add a little more color to this arrangement. This sunflower arrangement definitely puts a smile on my face. That pop of yellow against the navy blue of Steph's fall home decor looks so beautiful together. We hoped you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make a flower arrangement. And did you get some creative ideas of things that you could use for containers for your floral arrangement? Please comment below and let us know what you would use. There's so many creative options that you could use. The more we thought about it, even an old bread box could be fun as your container. So let us know what you would use.
Yeah, we love hearing from you and we love gathering more ideas, and who knows, we may even feature your idea on one of our upcoming videos. So thanks again for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.